So Toby, today we are going to make some Halloween cookies. Now, these are going to be special ones. Do you know what we're going to have on top of the cookies?
Ghost.
Ghosts? How did you know that? You clever clogs. Are you psychic? You reading my mind?
Yes. Time to make ghost cookies.
So we're going to be a bit lazy today because all the fun is in the decorating. So we've got some pre-made cookie mix. We're going to put it in this bowl, add some water, and then put it in the oven. All in there?
Yes.
Okay. So we've got some chocolate chip. Show them what we've got. Chocolate chip cookie mix.
Chocolate chip cookie mix.
And this is just from the supermarket. And all we need to do is now is add 2 tablespoons of water.
Yeah, but
and then put it in the oven for 10 minutes.
Yeah, but you can have any cookie mix you want.
So we're going to add some water now to this pre-made mix, and then we've got to mix it. You going to help me mix?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I put 2 tablespoons of water in this mix. Can we give it a good old mix? So if you don't want to be lazy and use pre-made packets, I'll put a recipe for cookie dough in the comments. Okay, so now we've mixed the cookie dough.
Yes.
We're going to spoon it onto a baking tray with some greaseproof paper on it. And now we're going to be using giant marshmallows for our ghosts.
Yeah.
So we need to make some big cookies about the size of your palm, an adult's palm. So we're going to make probably, I think, 4. We're going to spoon them onto here. 4 big flat cookies, okay? I'll put them on here. And then Toby, you can help me squish them down a bit, okay?
Ready for the oven.
Okay, so the cookies are out of the oven, looking perfect sized. These are really good, but they don't look very Halloween-y, do they?
Yeah.
Should we put some ghosts on it?
Yes.
Brill. So, what I've got giant Giga marshmallows. So we've gone for the biggest marshmallows I could find, but the big but smaller marshmallows should work fine. We've got some vanilla frosting to put on the top of the cookies, and then some chocolate chip cookies. So shall I show you what to do, and then you can copy me and make your own?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to start with the vanilla frosting. If I can open it.
Of course it did.
Can you smell that?
Yeah.
So I'm going to do this cookie and you do this one, okay?
Yes.
So we're going to start with some vanilla frosting.
On the bottom to stick the marshmallows on.
Yeah, very clever. So we're going to put this on the bottom to stick the marshmallows on. Now we don't need too much.
Hey Dad, guess how I knew that?
Yeah.
Because I read your mind. I'm psychic.
You're psychic?
If I was a Pokemon, I'll be Mewtwo.
Because you're psychic.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to copy along? So you do it the same, but you don't need too much. You just need enough, a small layer to stick the marshmallow on. That's it. Shall I hold your cookie?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. And then I'll do the other 2, and Mummy and Ella can have these 2, yeah?
Yeah.
Now it's time for the marshmallows. Right, so we're not going to stick it on just yet.
Why?
Okay, because we need to turn our marshmallows into little ghosts. So if I open up the chocolate chip, now we only need 3 each. 1, 2,
Guess why?
3.
Some of that's gonna be the eyes and that one's gonna be the mouth.
You know it. So what we can do is we're going to dip. Oh, actually, we'll use our fingers, and we're going to use a little bit of the frosting.
Yes.
To use as the glue. So we do what, like you said, 2 for the eyes. So use the frosting from the cookie. Do 2 for the eyes, and then just 1 for a mouth, and the mouth will look like it's going ooh, like that.
Yeah.
Did you do that face?
Ooh.
And then once you've done the eyes and the mouth, you just stick it on your cookie. You've done the eyes, and then you're going to go ooh for the mouth. That's brilliant. Now, you stick yours down. Make sure you do it the right way up so the eyes are at the top. Perfect. spin it around to look at the camera. And should I do 2 for Mummy and Ella?
Yeah, and we
Yeah.
forgot to say
You
that.
need one if you want.
Each one? This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Tell us what it tastes like.
Delicious.
So that was it.
Yes.
How will you see was that?
Good.
Yeah?
Yes.
And do they look like ghosts?
Yes.
I think they look pretty cool. Now, obviously, if you're having a party or friends round, you might want to make a few more. But there's only 4 of us, so we can have 1 each.
Yeah.
And they're quite sweet because these are humongous. They don't look too big here, but look. They're humongous. And what noise does the ghost make?
Ooh. He's now trying to try it. Good. Happy Halloween. Thanks for watching.